Palantir had one of its best days today. Not Palantir the stock, Palantir the company. First up, we have AIPCon 6 on Thursday at the time of making this video. We've had plenty of announcements in the last 24 hours or so. So let's talk a little bit about that. Now, currently at the time of making this video, yes, Palantir is back under $80. If we see the most recent drawdown, that's down 36%. But as you've seen, this is a volatile stock. We've seen huge drawdowns in the past. Now, currently it has a market cap of $196 billion. Of course, if we just look at the traditional pricing metrics, the forward PEs, trading 12 months, 410, next 12 months, 139.8. So definitely not the cheapest name out there, but definitely one of the best names out there. By the way, if you want access to all the data that you're seeing here, it's on FinChat, link is down in the description. More on that in just a second. So first up, they announced AIPCon 6, and we've got here a couple of new names that will present. So new customer announcements include Heineken, Walgreens, R1 RCM, Racetrack, Ripcord, and more. The next wave of Warp Speed customers, which is a bit of the theme of that event, especially if you've seen the announcement on X. The next wave of Warp Speed customers will also showcase how they're reindustrializing American manufacturing, including Red Cat, Saildrone, Saronic, SNC, and Ursa Major. Other customer speakers include AT&T, Anduril, TWG Global, Lennar, KKR, Owens Corning, Delta Airlines, L3 Harris, Parexel, Wendy's, JD Power, and many more. Of course, Amit will be there. There was also an announcement with regards to the Titan project. So Palantir announced last Friday that it has delivered the first 2 Titan systems to the US Army, a next generation ground system meant to strengthen the link between data gathering sensors and weapons in the field. If you remember, the Army awarded the firm a $178 million contract in March of last year to build 10 next generation AI-defined systems known as Titan. And of course, that contract could expand to, I think, an amount of $2 billion. Now, before jumping into all the partnerships and agreements, yes, we all know Palantir is expensive as a stock. But what we also know is that Palantir has grown quite rapidly and has actually accelerated in the last couple of quarters. Luckily, there is an easy way to check that. Now, I'm here on FinChat, and I've been using FinChat for a long time, even before they started sponsoring my videos, which I'm quite happy about it, let's be honest. Now, if we go here to segments and KPIs, which is probably one of the best parts of this whole platform, we can look at specific segments. So you look at government revenue, commercial revenue, you can look at the year-over-year increases. So quite easily, you click on these 2 things, and then you've got, well, the growth rates here. What do we see? Well, we see that government revenue has accelerated its growth in the whole of 2024. What have we seen with commercial? It's been up and down, up and down. Last quarter was a pretty good one that has grown 31% year over year. We can of course do the same with total customer count, commercial or US commercial. You can choose here, you can look at the growth rate. So let's just put total customer count and the year over year changes. You can put it as a bar chart if you want to make it even prettier. We can see that the number keeps on increasing, and well, last quarter we grew that by 43.1%, which here as well is an acceleration in growth. So yes, it is expensive, but it is a company that is now rapidly growing and actually accelerating. Now, if you want to try FinChat out yourself and look at all of that data, you can use my link down in the description and in the pinned comment. All new signups get 2 weeks automatically for free of FinChat Pro. And if you like it and you want to upgrade, use my link to get 15% off. Continuing here, we first start with this announcement, which funny enough, I think I was one of the first ones to discover this. So Ondas and Palantir partner to enhance operational capabilities and drive global adoption of autonomous systems. We've talked about Ondas a little bit a couple of months or so ago. It's quite interesting, right? They have that Iron Drone system. And well, it does seem like Palantir's platform will serve as a central operating system for their data, creating a unified operational picture that significantly boosts efficiency and scalability. Now, I also believe that Ondas reported earnings yesterday, if I remember correctly. I haven't checked that out. Stock's reaction might explain what has happened. Moving on to the next one, and of course, if you don't follow Jan on X, what are you even doing? All the announcements, great clips and all of that, he posts them on X, so highly suggest you go follow him. So we've got Epirus, they joined Palantir's Warp Speed cohort to accelerate production for defense and commercial markets. Shyam Sankar said, the company is a leader in short-range air defense, developers of Leonidas, a high-energy, high-power microwave technology to counter drones, drone swarms, and electronics. Today announced its inclusion as a member of the second cohort of customers to deploy Palantir's Warp Speed. Warp Speed enables Epirus to meet rising demand for its Leonidas counter-electronics technology while expanding into commercial markets and other defense applications, ultimately bolstering the defense of the West. So comments by Shyam Sankar. Next up, we have Archer, powering the future of American aviation. So Karp here said, Palantir partnership with Archer is redefining the future of flight, making it not only efficient but also more accessible. By integrating Palantir's advanced AI capabilities with Archer's innovative approach to aircraft manufacturing and operations, we are setting the stage for a transformative leap in efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Archer's CEO said, while the aviation industry has an unmatched level of safety, much of the legacy technology supporting the industry has only incrementally advanced. AI and software present an inflection point that will shape the future of aviation. We're proud to be partnering with Dr. Karp and the entire Palantir team to build the AI backbone for the next generation of aviation. Up next, Katie Court and Palantir strategic partnership agreement. So the CEO said, by collaborating with Palantir, we will position ourselves as Korea's leading AX accelerator with overwhelming competitive strength in domestic and international markets. KT becomes the first Korean company to join Palantir's worldwide partner ecosystem, a global network of business and technology experts. Moving on to the next one, a pretty cool one. Saildrone and Palantir announced strategic partnership to advance AI-powered maritime intelligence. Saildrone will leverage Palantir's AI technology to deliver unprecedented insights for maritime intelligence, surveillance, and targeting applications. Saildrone is delivering the future of maritime AI, and we are extremely proud to provide software that supports the sustained competitive advantage of the USVs, that's Palantir's head of industrial saying. Founder and CEO of Saildrone said, as global threats continue to evolve, we are seeing rapidly increasing demand for maritime security solutions. Leveraging Palantir's sophisticated manufacturing and AI tools will allow us to streamline manufacturing and radically enhance fleet capabilities. While others make promises about tomorrow's technology, we face complex global threats today. This partnership with Palantir ensures we deliver solutions today that outpace tomorrow's threats. Up next, another water type, feels like I'm talking about some Pokemons here, but that's Saronic. So Saronic Technologies and Palantir today announced a strategic partnership to accelerate the development and delivery of autonomous naval capabilities for the US and its allies. By combining Saronic's expertise in maritime autonomy and scalable manufacturing with Palantir's advanced software solutions, including Warp Speed, this partnership will set a new standard for rapid, cost-effective, and mission-ready autonomous system manufacturing to deliver on the US Navy's future hybrid fleet vision. And then the last one, which is a pretty big one, Palantir and Databricks announced strategic product partnership to deliver secure and efficient AI to customers. Palantir and Databricks are aligned to deliver on our customers' mission-critical objectives, and this partnership has already proven to accelerate those outcomes. The best of both worlds technical approach means the best outcomes for our mutual customers. Couple of comments here, one from the EVP technology at BP. A robust data foundation is key to delivering BP's reset strategy and our long-term competitiveness. Palantir and Databricks are vital partners for the next phase of our digital transformation. By building on the work we are doing together, we will be empowering teams across BP, maximizing value of our data and accelerating AI adoption. Chairman of the board of Databricks said the following: Databricks and Palantir customers in the public and private sectors were already looking for ways to integrate the two technologies to optimize performance and eliminate redundant costs. So, everybody was talking about, Databricks is private, wait until they become public, it's going to be a threat for Palantir. Well, now we've got a strategic partnership here, so I guess that clears it. And so as you can see, it does seem like Palantir is trying to take the whole market. Now, of course, we don't know how much these deals are worth, but it's worth noting that these were quite a lot of announcements in a short period of time. Plus, during AIPCon, we always get more and more information on how Palantir's solution basically solves a lot of the issues that, these companies have. So we'll definitely have a look at those presentations as well. But yeah, Palantir, expensive stock, Great company. You're probably all going to be asking, so when are you jumping back in? I have patience. That's the thing. I've been saying the same thing and same thing again. I do not feel forced to buy back in. If it reaches the area that I feel comfortable with, I will be buying in. If not, I will just be waiting. If I see continued acceleration, then the price that I'm willing to pay just goes up. No, I don't think I will miss out on anything, if we're being honest. So that's it. Pretty big deal, pretty big day for Palantir, so congrats to them. Do share your thoughts down in the comment section below, like, subscribe, all of that, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.